What you are doing for our class isn't precisely the work of the critic, but we will spend a little bit of time today talking about the critic's role in the theater. Often people think about critics in negative terms because they'll tell you what is not working in your piece. But that isn't necessarily what a critic is supposed to do. We've discussed a lot of the aspects that go into making a production, but what about what happens after the production is open? This is where the theater reviewer or critic comes in. After this short video, you'll now watch a few videos of critics describing what they see their role is. And it isn't to tear productions apart. They should be critical and push theater in some kind of direction. However, a criticism that is unnecessarily cruel, just to be cruel, because a reviewer didn't like the show, is not a useful form of criticism, and perhaps they should just not review the show at all. What neither of these videos quite get to, which I will add here, is that critical reviews, newspaper reviews, website reviews, etc., are often the only evidence for theater historians of what happens on the stage. I'm a theater historian and I rely on reviews pretty frequently. It's really important to have some sort of form to show what a production was like. It is through theater reviews that I can tell you what happened at the original production of Tartuffe in the 17th century. Without those records, we would have no idea, because theater is an ephemeral art form. It is there and then it is over, and nothing else exists of it anymore. And so these reviews are a record. But they're also a marketing tool, and they're also a critical analysis, a review of what happens on stage. And criticism, when it's good, does all of those things. And I hope you'll learn a little bit more from these critics about what they see their role is in the theater.